Right, hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another little video. So welcome to the Mad Minute, or should I say welcome to the Mad 5 Minutes in this case anyway. So moving forward, what I'm going to be doing in future uploads is collating all the mad crazy flying which I do with my DJI Neo in the forest. I'm going to be getting those little files and putting them into something called the Mad Minute. Now this is going to be a bit crazy, it's going to be a bit mad, but it's going to be fun and interesting, and the Mad Minute looks something a little bit like this.
Cutting breeze, wings spread wide and freedom's plea, eagle of the wild, untamed and free. Through the mountains, valleys wide, soaring with relentless pride, guarding secrets, legends told in the lands of endless bold. Eagle of the wilderness, rise, touch the heavens, endless skies. Secrets, legends told in the lands of endless gold. Eagle of the wilderness, rise, touch the heavens, endless skies. Echoes of your mighty cries, through the ages never dies. Silent strength in twilight's hue, guided by the midnight blue. In your shadow worlds collide, mysteries in your stride. Rivers whisper tales of old, of a spirit brave and bold. In the forest shadow sweet, promises the faithful keep. Eagle of the wilderness, rise, touch the heavens, endless skies. Echoes of your mighty cries, through the ages never dies. Rivers will the wilderness rise, touch the heavens, endless skies. Echoes of your mighty cries, through the ages never die. Eagle of the wilderness rise.